Well, a couple of different things you can do, Che. Firstly, you can drop the price to your break-even price and then liquidate it through Amazon at a huge discount and see if that will move it. You could host on Amazon again a contest or a giveaway. So both of those options are available for you on Amazon.com, and they could work. You could also do a flash sale as well on Amazon.com. Another great way of liquidating stock. You could send it to bloggers online to get reviews and use it as a way of actually getting reviews for your products. You could do that. Or you could, something that I've been recently exploring as part and parcel of my whole shtick on Amazon in America, you could sell it on this website, which is liquidation.com, which is awesome. I love liquidation.com. It's a great place to buy stuff if you want to buy, because Amazon, by the way, sells all of their products that have been liquidated, because you can liquidate products on Amazon another way too, where you don't get any money though. So I don't want to give you that because it's a shit way to do it where you don't get any money. But Amazon sells all their liquidated stock through here. They also sell all their returned stock as well through here. They do heaps and heaps and heaps of that. So you can use liquidation.com to do that. And by the way, spoiler alert, you can also buy liquidated stock from places like Walmart, from places like Jet, from Amazon, of course, from JCPenney, from all of the big retailers right across America, Target, Walmart, blah, blah, blah. They all liquidate their stock through liquidation.com. So if you're looking for a place to buy stock very, very cheap, say 5 cents on the dollar, 5 or 10 cents on the dollar, liquidation.com is fantastic for you. So you could do that too, Che, and that's a great place to liquidate your stock. You'll find a ready and willing set of buyers to take your stock from you. And it operates on an auction as well, so it's an auction-based thing. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.